Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese Idioms Lesson 6 with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-knows for conversations. Just like the previous video, I'll be adding 别 to the Chinese idiom or 成语 so that you can use it in your daily life conversations. 别 means do not. 打草惊蛇 Da means beat, Cao means grass, Jing means alert or startle, Se means snake. The whole Chinese idiom 打草惊蛇 means that you are beating the grass and end up alert or startle the snake that may have been sleeping. This means that you are acting rashly and end up alerting the enemy and letting the enemy prepare in advance. This may spoil your plan, or the enemy may run away because of that. When someone you know has a plan, and you feel that others knowing about it will end up spoil the plan, you can say 别打草惊蛇, which means do not act rashly and end up alert the enemy. This gives the enemy time to prepare, which may not be good for you. 小题大做 Xiao means small, Ti means question, Da means big, Zuo means do. The whole Chinese idiom 小题大做 means that you are doing a small question in a big way. That means that you are doing a small question as if it is a big question. This shows that you are exaggerating or making a fuss. There's an English idiom that means the same, which is making a mountain out of a molehill. When you want to tell someone not to exaggerate, you can say 别小题大做, which means do not exaggerate or make a fuss. Or it can also mean do not make a small issue into a big issue. 得寸进尺 De means get, 寸 means inch, 进 means in, 尺 means foot. The whole Chinese idiom means that when the person gets an inch, he or she ends up one a foot. An inch is a smaller measurement as compared to a foot. So it means that when the person gets something, he wants something even more, which shows that he or she is being greedy and taking advantage of you. When you want to tell someone to stop being greedy or wanting more and more from you, you can say 别得寸进尺, which means do not get an inch and end up one a foot. Or do not be greedy and keep wanting more and more from me. 胡思乱想 Hu means anyhow, Si means think, Luan means anyhow, Xiang means think. The whole Chinese idiom 胡思乱想 means that you are letting your thoughts and imagination run wild. That means that you are imagining things that may not be the truth or may not happen. When you want to tell someone to stop overthinking or imagining things, you can say 别胡思乱想, which means do not let your imagination and thoughts run wild, as they may not be the truth or they may not happen. 自讨苦吃 Zi means self, Tao means ask for, Ku means suffering or hardship, Chi means eat. Chi Ku means to experience suffering or hardship. The whole Chinese idiom 自讨苦吃 means that you are asking for suffering and hardship yourself when it's not even needed. When you want to tell someone to not bring trouble, hardship, or suffering upon himself or herself, you can say 别自讨苦吃, which is do not ask for hardship, suffering yourself. 忍气吞声. Ren means endure or tolerate. Qi means anger. Tun means swallow. Sheng means sound or voice. The whole Chinese idiom 忍气吞声 means that you are enduring and tolerating your anger, and also you are swallowing your sound or voice. This means that you are suffering in silence or swallowing the insult that you face or the humiliation that you face. You are bearing with it and trying to endure and pretend nothing happened. When someone you know is being bullied and you want to say, do not bear with it anymore, you can say 别忍气吞声, which means do not stop your anger or endure your anger and swallow your voice or sound, which also means do not suffer in silence or swallow the insult or humiliation. 口是心非. Kou means mouth, Shi means yes, Xin means heart, Fei means no. The whole Chinese idiom 口是心非 means that your mouth is saying yes, but your heart is saying no. That means that what you are saying through your mouth is different from what you are thinking in your heart. That means that you are not saying what you truly mean. When you want to tell someone to not say what he or she does not mean, you can say 别口是心非, which means do not say what you do not mean, or say what you truly think in your heart. Now is quiz time. When you want to tell someone, don't exaggerate, what can you say? 别小题大做. When you want to tell someone, don't bear with it, what can you say? 别忍气吞声. When you want to tell someone to stop being greedy, what can you say? 别得寸进尺. When you want to tell someone, don't say what you do not mean, what can you say? 别口是心非. When you want to tell someone to stop overthinking or imagining things, what can you say? 别胡思乱想. When you want to tell someone, don't give your enemy time to prepare, what can you say? 别打草惊蛇. When you want to tell someone, don't bring trouble upon yourself, what can you say? 别自讨苦吃。Like and share the video if you have enjoyed it or learned something from it. Subscribe to learn more Chinese idioms and Chinese with Teacher Mint.